So I did a thing. I am running a class coming up soon for Victorian style piping, but we're not going to have access to any fridges. So I had to create a stencil that we could use with absolute minimal contact on the cake. The original stencil that I have does need the cake to be refrigerated in order to use it, but this little invention does not need to be, doesn't need the cake to be refrigerated. So here I'm creating a really fun stenciled design using a 6-inch template that I've got here. There's 2 different notches for 2 different heights on the cake. And then I'm just decorating as you normally would. This cake will be a class, it'll be a face-to-face class. However, if you guys are in a different country and you're interested in this cake class, let me know and I'll organize a Zoom session, like a group class where we all share our video and whatnot, if it's something you're interested in. And then I've used 4 different piping tips to create this particular cake, just piping right against that line with the stencil. This stencil will be available for purchase as well. I'll leave it linked down below in case you guys would like to use it. It's definitely more user-friendly in the sense that, just like you saw there, you can pick it up and not use it on the stick. You can just use it freehand like that as well. I decided I wanted another row right at the base, so it's super duper versatile. I'm creating these ruffles here with a 103 piping tip. I used number 32 and the number 5. There was also right at the start that other tip that I used right in the middle. I'll leave it in the description box below because I can't think of it at the top of my head just yet. But yes, this is a tutorial on how to use that stencil, how to create this awesome cake here with the Victorian piping, which is still trending. I've used So Light vegetable shortening in place of butter for my buttercream just to get it that super duper stark white finish. If you'd like the recipe to the buttercream, I'll leave it linked in a card, and I'll also leave the Victorian piping stencil tool linked below as well.